I have a GoPro Hero 9 Black. I'm going to show you how to change the video resolution. FYI, the highest video resolution on the Hero 9, now they have 5K at 30 FPS, frames per second. Okay, so how do we change the video resolution? Okay, so first thing is you need to go obviously into the video mode. You can tap on mode to go to video, or what you can do is you can just like slide over from the middle like that. So we're going to go right to video, and on the bottom here, right here it says standard. What you want to, and it says 5K. I'm at 5K at 30 frames per second at wide. So what you want to do is press and hold down here. Press and hold, and then this here will pop up. And then and then of course you get the resolution FPS right there. But you have tons of other settings here as well. But anyway, we're only talking about the video resolution. So let me go back up here. So RES resolution FPS for frames per second. So let's tap on that. And then you can see you can do 5K, you can do 4K, 2.7, 1080p. 2.7K is basically, it's 2K, okay? 5K, 4K, 2K. If I go to 5K here, then you have FPS. I can do 24, 30. Now if I tap on 60, there is no 5K at 60 FPS. So what's going to do is going to bump it down to 4K. And then you can see if I do 120, I can only do it at 2K, right? But I can still do 2K at 60 FPS. Here's 30 back on 4K. If I go to 240, so you have 240 FPS max at 1080p. Anyway, there you go. So if I want it back at my 5K at 30 FPS, leave it just like that, and there you go. I'm ready to rock and roll. And it says down here, 5K at 30 FPS. Good luck.